Hi, my name is Ray Lawton, and I'm very grateful for the opportunity that I had to join the Land Sharks group. It was an absolute game changer. Originally, I was wholesaling and selling houses, and once we made the switch to land, it was incredible. I think I've done about 10 deals actually since joining, and support I received from Brent and the group, whether it be in the weekly calls or just the messages to Brent when I've been in a bind. It's invaluable. I highly recommend the course, and I'm very thankful for all the help I've received.